The rich aren't moving to Switzerland anymore. They're packing their bags for Asia. But why now? By 2025, the number of ultra-high net worth individuals in Asia is set to skyrocket by a staggering 27%. That's a tidal wave of wealth shifting the global economic balance. This isn't just about finding a new place to live. It's a strategic repositioning of the world's elite. Forget the old money capitals. The new epicenters of wealth are rising in the East. Today we're diving deep into the data, the strategies, and the irresistible pull of Asia that's causing this historic migration of millionaires. Stick around, because the insights we're about to uncover could redefine your understanding of global wealth. First, let's talk numbers, because they tell a powerful story. Asia isn't just growing, it's exploding with wealth. We're talking about a projected 27% increase in individuals worth over $30 million by 2025. This isn't random. It's fueled by strong, sustained economic performance and the rapid expansion of a vibrant middle class. As millions enter the consumer market, demand across every sector, from luxury goods to technology, is booming. This creates a self-sustaining cycle of growth that savvy investors find impossible to ignore. For the ultra-wealthy, this isn't just a trend, it's the future. They see Asia not just as a place to invest, but as the primary engine of global economic growth for the next generation. Countries like Vietnam are leading this charge, with projections showing a mind-blowing 125% increase in wealth over the next decade. This kind of growth is almost unheard of in the mature markets of the West. It signals a fundamental shift where the center of economic gravity is moving eastward, and millionaires are simply following the money. So where is all this new wealth going? The investment landscape in Asia is incredibly diverse and dynamic. We're seeing a massive influx of capital into emerging sectors like technology and healthcare. Entrepreneurs are flocking here not just to tap into the market, but to build global empires from the ground up. They are leveraging Asia's technological advancements and hunger for innovation to scale their businesses internationally. Digital transformation is at the heart of this. Wealth management itself is being revolutionized. Gone are the days of stuffy, old-fashioned banking. Today's wealthy clients demand personalized, data-driven investment experiences, and Asian firms are delivering with cutting-edge digital platforms. This tech-forward approach makes managing complex cross-border portfolios seamless and efficient. It's about more than just convenience. It's about providing smarter, more agile investment tools that give them an edge in a fast-moving global market. This digital revolution is democratizing wealth management, making sophisticated financial products more accessible than ever before. Of course, it's not just about making money, it's also about keeping it. And this is where Asia offers a compelling advantage: favorable tax environments. High net worth individuals are increasingly strategic about where they reside, and low tax jurisdictions are a massive draw. Take the UAE, for example. Its combination of zero income tax, a luxury lifestyle, and a strategic location at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa has made it a magnet for millionaires. Last year alone, the UAE saw one of the highest net inflows of millionaires globally. This isn't a coincidence, it's a calculated move. Wealthy families are actively seeking out countries with clear, business-friendly regulations. Even in the world of digital assets, places like Singapore and the UAE are creating secure, regulated environments for crypto investors, attracting a new generation of digital-first millionaires. By relocating, these individuals can significantly reduce their tax burdens, freeing up capital for further investment and growth. This strategic tax planning is a cornerstone of modern wealth preservation. While financial incentives are powerful, they aren't the only factor. Political stability plays a crucial role. In a world of increasing geopolitical tension, many Asian markets are seen as safe havens. Compared to the political uncertainties brewing in some parts of the West, countries in Asia often offer more stable governance and a proactive, pro-business policy environment. This stability fosters confidence among foreign investors and wealthy individuals looking for a secure place to grow their assets. They see lower risks of political instability, which translates directly to better prospects for economic growth. This stable foundation is essential for long-term planning and investment. Entrepreneurs and families don't want to worry about sudden policy shifts or social unrest disrupting their lives and businesses. Asian governments understand this, and many have worked hard to create a welcoming and predictable environment that attracts and retains global talent and capital. This sense of security is priceless. Beyond the balance sheets and political forecasts, there is a deeply human element to this migration, the search for a better quality of life. Wealthy families are not just moving their assets, they are moving their lives, and Asia is delivering an incredibly appealing lifestyle package. We're talking about access to world-class education systems for their children, robust and modern healthcare services, and a lower cost of living for luxury amenities compared to cities like London or New York. The cultural richness and diversity of Asia offer a unique and enriching environment for families. From bustling metropolises to serene natural landscapes, the continent provides a vast array of experiences. Furthermore, many Asian cities boast exceptionally low crime rates and high levels of safety, which is a top priority for any family. It is this holistic combination of economic opportunity and an enhanced lifestyle that makes the move to Asia so compelling. They're not just securing their financial future, they're investing in their family's well-being and happiness. So, for those considering such a monumental move, what are the key strategies? Relocating this much wealth isn't as simple as packing a suitcase. It requires meticulous planning. A crucial first step is reassessing legal structures for asset ownership. Many families are establishing dedicated family offices. These entities provide centralized control over their assets, streamline management, and ensure their financial strategies are aligned with their long-term goals. It's also vital to thoroughly evaluate the regulatory environments of potential destination countries to ensure compliance and leverage any advantages. This means working with experts who understand local laws for property ownership, inheritance and business operations. Engaging in comprehensive financial planning is non-negotiable. The goal is to optimize tax liabilities after the move, taking into account both the home and host country's regulations. This might involve exploring wealth management products specifically designed for expatriates or structuring investments to take advantage of cross-border opportunities. The key is to be proactive and build a flexible, diversified portfolio that is resilient to global shifts. This great migration of millionaires to Asia is more than just a headline. It's a reflection of deep, structural changes in the global economy. Asia's potent mix of rapid wealth growth, diverse investment opportunities, attractive tax policies, political stability, and an unbeatable lifestyle is reshaping the map of global influence. The digital transformation in wealth management is making it easier than ever for the ultra-wealthy to manage their global assets from new hubs in the East. For entrepreneurs, investors, and families looking towards 2025 and beyond, the message is clear. The future is in Asia. This shift is creating unprecedented opportunities, not just for the millionaires making the move, but for the economies that welcome them. What do you think about this massive wealth shift? Are we witnessing the dawn of a new economic era centered in Asia? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the forces shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.